Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. This is Shining Folake Studio, Shining Folake TV. My name is Folake Orebi. I'm a bead tutor. I make beads, bead bag, bead shoe, bead necklace. I can do anything with beads. Bead jewelries, bead clothes. And before I go further, I would like to appreciate all my subscribers. So my new subscriber, I so much appreciate you. I can't stop saying I love you all for visiting my channel. And if you are still there thinking that you are going to subscribe or not, please take the action now. Press the subscribe button down and do the needful, because I have a lot of interesting things for you. So today, this is what we are going to be treating. It's like spiral and it's like rope. This is it. A client of mine wants something like this. So this is the earring. It's just like rope. I use bead size 3. You can use any size. You can use size 1, you can use size 2, you can use size 3. And you see. So let's go to the tutorial fully. Your fishing line, your thread, anything you want to use. Let's start. I'm having size 3. And you see. And this is green color. So to start, I will take 2 of green, 2, take it down to the mouth of the fish line. I'm going to tie it. I'm going to tie the 2, and see the way I'm going to tie it. I'm going to tie it in this way that the 2 holes will come up, because I need it. That is what I will be using. So please watch carefully the way I'm tying it, because the 2 holes, the mouth must come up. So we tie very well. I'm using 0.35. You can use 0.2. So this is it. I've tied. Make sure the 2 mouths are up. So let me use needle to bring them up closer. So now, do not pick 2 yellow or any other color you are going to be using. You pick 2 colors, then you make sure they come together. And you see. So let me do it like this. You have to get this foundation very well. This is the foundation. Once you get this one, Then I will go back to the yellow. You have to pull very firm. Now we'll take the second one. I'll take the second one. Somehow you have to make sure that the eyes, they are up together. And you see, you just have to make them come together, and they should look up, because that is what we are going to be using. So can you see like this? Now can you see the front and the back? So this is the foundation that we need. Then we take another 2 yellow. This is 2. Then you now come here, let it go down. Let me see. It's coming from here, then you go back here. Hold it firmly. So we go back again. Then at this point, I'm going to the grain. Okay, let me cut this away. Then I'll pick 2 grain. Let me see. This is it. Then you go back to grain again. Let it firm. So this is the foundation. So now we pick 2 grain. You pick 2 grain. Then you come into this place. You pick 2 grain. You pull it down. So let's use this for now. Then 2 yellow. Let's come down. So at this point, I will be crossing. Like, you can continue like this. You can continue like this. But this side, I cross. You can continue it like this. I will still continue with this, but I want to do this side. It means that I will be crossing now. So for me to go through next step, I'll pick 2 yellow. So after picking 2 yellow, you take 2 of this. 2. Then you come to this. So at this time I want to start crossing. I want to cross it. See the way I put it. Can you see? So I want to start the crossing now. So I will put two green. Let it go like this. Then O2. So can you see? Then you now turn like this. See the way I've turned it. Then you take one. Take this one. I told you I'm crossing it. And you take two yellow. You take two down, one up. This is 1, 2. That's how you are going to be doing it. Then you now turn, you are going up now. You take one. When you are going up, you take one. When you are coming down, you take two. That is the way it will turn. It will give you the design I want. So now, this is supposed to be yellow. Now this needle is going down. It's going down, so I'm going to pick two. Because it's going down, I will pick two. Make sure there's something lies very well. Sorry, it's supposed not to be here. So you will pick two green. So we are going down. We pick two. If you can see what I'm doing. So this one is down, then you are going up, you pick one of this yellow. So you continue. You pick two yellow. You know, we are going down. The needle is going down. You pick two. You pick two. Then this one is going up. You pick one of this green. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of designs that I will be doing a video for. So the needle is going down. You pick two. So you continue till you get to the desired length that you want. So any length that you want. And don't forget, I'm using this one for bangle. See, it's crossing. When you continue, it's continue to cross. So let me do one more before I stop. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Give me a comment. Drop a comment in the comment box. Thumbs up, please. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, please. And share my video. Share to your friends, to your loved ones, to your family. Share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, on WhatsApp. Can you see? This is the way it will look. Can you see? So try it at home and drop it on my Facebook, or you can WhatsApp me. If you have any question, WhatsApp me. My email is there. I would love to hear from you. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.